We're making a video about the TLK 150. The TLK 150 is a Motorola device. It works both on cellular and Wi-Fi, right? This device works on the Motorola's Wave PTX app solution. This device, so let's go one by one and see what are the buttons and the features it has. Here's the power button. This is the microphone, right? This is the microphone. It has the microphone key, so you can put the palm fist microphone out here, and you have the palm fist microphone here, right? uh, Out here it has the volume knob, up and down volume. Then you have the contacts, you can have the channels, and here's a dedicated emergency key. The mic is out here for this device and speaker, and out here from behind the device it has 3 ports. One for, if you look carefully, if you see carefully out here, there are 2 for the LTE GSM and 1 for the GPS. Out here, if you see out here, you can pull this out. So I'll do this carefully. Out here you can put in the SIM card, right? So this works on the SIM card. Then out here is the power cable for the power. It works on 12 to 24 volts reverse voltage protection. This out here is the accessory connector, so you can connect other accessories, which I'll show you in a while, right? So this device then can be connected using a red and black power supply, a DC power supply, right? This comes in the box with it, including the palm fist. What you also have out here is the LTE antenna, right? And I showed you out here, these are the 2 connectors for the LTE antenna, and this is the GPS antenna. So the device, the palm fist microphone, the GPS antenna, the LTE antenna, and this power cable, right? So all of this comes in the box, right? Now there is a need from customers to connect other products and to the device itself. So if you're beginning a vehicle, you will need to buy the Trunion. This is a clamp that is called the Trunion clamp that will hold it into the vehicle, so the device does not shake, right? It has to hold it securely. So this you'll have to buy extra. If you want to connect this to external accessories, right? So let's understand 2 parts. What are the different accessories you can connect to, right? So you'll need to buy the external accessory pin. So this will allow you, this pin comes with these cables and a ladder like this, and this one you will connect it to the back pin of the device. So this goes here, this will go here, right? So this accessory pin will go out here, right? So once you have this connector and you've connected it, what are the different options that you can connect? You can connect, if you need, so the speaker is quite powerful, but there are requirements like for crane, in use of cranes or other vehicles, you can buy an external Motorola antenna. You can buy an external Motorola antenna that comes with the cable, okay? And this will go to the ladder and to that external connector that will go behind the device, right? So this is one option that you can do. There is also a need from customers to connect a emergency foot mic. So you can buy an external foot mic that will go into, again, the same connector, right? Then there are customers' requirements for connecting a microphone, like they don't want to press the PTT, so they use the mic. They use this mic and the speaker I showed you, connecting it to this accessory adapter. There are also customers that need a foot switch, so that while they're driving, they just press the foot switch. So with your foot, you press the foot and makes a PTT call, right? Then there are customer requirements that I do not want to use this antenna while I'm driving on the steering wheel. I want to have another PTT. So there is an option, if you want. At all of these accessories are extra cost. You can connect this to your steering wheel and press the PTT. So while driving, you can press the PTT and drive, talk and drive, right? We talk about now. There are some people that want to connect this to a ignition key. So you can connect this to the ignition key. So there's an ignition cable available if required. Uh, what happens if you want to connect this solution to a fixed unit? That means you want to make this. All I showed you just now is for a vehicle mounted, but there are requirements for connecting the TL50, like for example, at a gate or somewhere. So this works on a 12 volts or 24 volts reverse voltage. So then you can buy an original motor adapter. Okay, so you need to buy this. You need to buy the power brick. You need to buy the cable. You need to buy this adapter that will go into 230 volts. This one, and you need an adapter that will connect from this to this, right? So you need this connector. And then this connector goes to your. So this will go in here. This will go to your. So this external will go in like this, right? This will go in like this, and then this one here goes to the radio connector, goes to the radio part, right? So then this becomes a fixed unit. Right? And anyway, the other parts to make this work, like the power cable, red and black power cable, or the GPS antenna, right? The GPS antenna or the LT antenna, all comes as part of the box, and including the palm face microphone. So like I mentioned, I'll go again once again. This device is supported on the Motorola Wave PTX application. It supports up to 96 channels. You can store up to 300 contacts, so you can make a one-to-one private call or receive private calls from this device. It's connected to the existing Motorola TLK devices and the other devices that we have. It can be used both as a fixed unit and a vehicle mounted device. Thank you.